Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of March, 2025, our system has classified MicroStrategy Incorporated as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.69. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep monitoring this assessment to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. Our analysis of the current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 20.84% over the forthcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging between -42.21% and -9.89%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 90.4%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 51.38% to 241.60% over the next year. In practical terms, this indicates a future price range between $460.35 and $1,038.83. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for MicroStrategy Incorporated as stock downgraded to sell candidate." The stock price of MicroStrategy Incorporated declined by 1.44% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, dropping from $308.55 to $304.11. During the last trading session, the stock experienced significant fluctuations, varying by 9.85%, with a low of $292.17 and a high of $320.94. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and has fallen by 6.12% during this period. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator since volume typically aligns with stock movement. On that day, trading volume decreased by 1 million shares, resulting in a total of 25 million shares traded, valued at approximately $7.46 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $542.99, while the lowest was $101. Currently, the price is 43.99%, or $238.88, below the 52-week high of $542.99, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy, identified by the symbol MSTR, is currently navigating mixed dynamics in the market, particularly shaped by broader trends in the cryptocurrency sector. As of the 6th of March, 2025, MS trading activity has been subdued in the pre-market, reflecting a cautious sentiment among investors, especially as the cryptocurrency market appears to lack immediate positive momentum. Nevertheless, the company's substantial Bitcoin holdings have offered a measure of resilience, with MSTR experiencing an increase of 4.5% recently, propelled by a surge in Bitcoin prices linked to a proposal for a federally backed cryptocurrency reserve. In the short term, investors are assessing the potential impacts of this reserve, which could significantly enhance Bitcoin's value alongside MSTR's considerable worth tied to its Bitcoin assets. Analysts propose that as Bitcoin's price stabilizes and potentially rises, MSTR's market performance is likely to improve, with some forecasts suggesting it could double its value from current levels. This observation aligns with technical analysis recommending that investors monitor MSTR in relation to its 200-day moving average to manage volatility effectively. Looking ahead, positive developments in the cryptocurrency landscape, such as enhancements in liquidity and strategic reserve announcements, could increase MSTR's attractiveness among investors. However, it is important to remain cautious as the market continues to face lingering uncertainties. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, January 29th, 2025, it was reported that Compass Point assigned MSTR a buy rating with an initiate action. On Wednesday, November 20th, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, October 21st, 2024, it was reported that BIG assigned her a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, October 18th, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On Sunday, September 22nd, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned MSTR an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this overall signals a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $324.39. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $271.07. A breakthrough of the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would produce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 5th of March, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 1.44%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $275.15 and $250.92. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $275.15. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $250.92 and $250.51. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $28.77 between high and low, or 9.85%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 15.77%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 28th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.0233. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $326.46. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a suitable point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $275.15. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On December 31st, 2024, Xiao Wei-ming made an insider purchase of 0 shares. On January 21st, 2025, Greg Winiarski made an insider purchase of 3,709 shares of director stock option, which is the right to buy. On January 21st, 2025, Greg Winiarski also made an insider purchase of 2,745 shares of restricted stock units. On January 21st, 2025, Jane A. Dietz made an insider purchase of 3,709 shares of director stock option, which is the right to buy. On January 21st, 2025, Jane A. Dietz also made an insider purchase of 2,745 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 29.129. In total, insiders acquired 378,660 shares and sold 725,914 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated displays several negative signals, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative assessment of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a hold or accumulate stance to a sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our system indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 7th of March, we anticipate that MicroStrategy Incorporated will open higher by $1.63, beginning trading at $305.74. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.